Introduce short overview of YONYIDEA heat press machine. You enter or here, what will you get? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. The heat press machine uses the new generation of high quality materials, rugged, durable, long service life. The rubber pad is used according to your needs and does not need to be completely fixed on it. It is used for heat transfer and not used for pressing rosin. Clothing require temp about 180 degrees Celsius, fabric clothing use with sublimation paper, 30 to 50 second, 100% cotton clothing use with transfer paper, 15 to 20 second. A heat press machine is the machine that presses a transfer onto an imprint table substrate. Using high temperatures and pressures for a certain amount of time, the transfer is permanently embedded into the product. Suitable for transfer stickers, labels and other small size materials. You can try a small sample first to get the right temperature and time before you can print in large quantities later. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for watching.